good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The hottest contestant at the Man of the World 2024 press presentation wowed the audience with their chiseled physique and confident demeanor. The swimmer perfectly showcased their athletic build, while their poised walk and captivating presence left a lasting impression, marking them as a standout candidate. Brazil's representative brought energy and vibrancy to the swimwear segment. His athletic build and confident demeanor were evident as he strutted down the runway. The swimmer showcased his toned physique, making him a crowd favorite. His dynamic presence and the radiant smile captivated the audience, establishing him as one of the hottest contestants, and his confident walk and lively energy added to his appeal, making him a strong contender. Colombia's delegate captivated the audience with his stunning appearance in the swimwear segment. His well-defined body and confident stride showcase his dedication to fitness. The swimmer accentuated his curves, highlighting him as a top contender. His radiant smile and poised demeanor made him one of the hottest candidates. He exuded confidence and charm, making him a memorable and strong contender in the competition. India's representative exuded grace and confidence in the swimwear segment. His toned physique and elegant movements were highlighted by his choice of swimwear. He captivated the audience with his poise and radiant smile, making him a standout contestant. His natural beauty and confident demeanor established him as one of the hottest candidates. His graceful presence and strong stage presence made him a memorable and strong contender. Puerto Rico's delegate impressed with his striking figure and confident stage presence in the swimwear segment. His well-toned body and captivating smile drew applause from the audience. The swimwear highlighted his curve perfectly, making him one of the hottest and most memorable candidates. His confident walk and poised demeanor established him as a strong contender, and he exuded elegance and charm, captivating both judges and spectators. Venezuela's representative brought dynamic confidence to the swimwear segment. His toned physique and graceful movements were emphasized by his swimwear choice. He exuded elegance and poise, making him one of the hottest contestants, and his radiant smile and confident demeanor captivated the audience, establishing him as a strong contender. His natural beauty and stage presence made him a memorable and strong candidate. Eritrea's delegate displayed a unique blend of elegance and athleticism in the swimwear segment. His well-proportioned figure and confident walk captivated the audience. The swimwear highlighted his natural beauty and dedication to fitness, making him one of the hottest contestants. His radiant smile and poised demeanor established him as a strong contender and exuded confidence and charm, making him a memorable and strong candidate in the competition. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!